You want to create your own fabric texture in Inkscape? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Romola. I am here to show you how I do it. I start by creating a rectangle with no fill. Then I select the rectangle and I do a pattern fill. I click on filters on the command bar and then filter editor. Under the filter editor, I click on filters and add new filter and I rename it. Once you have done that, then you click on Effect. Under Flood, you can change the color to whatever you would like to use. If you haven't subscribed, please help me by subscribing so I can post more content like this in the future. It's totally free. I chose the dark blue for now. Click on Effect again and click on Blend. Connect the blend to the source graphic as shown on the video. Change the mode in the bottom to multiple. If you would like to use the texture on your clothing pattern, then follow my video and do so accordingly. If you want your texture to take effect, make sure that you save it. You go onto Object, Pattern and Object to Pattern. Then you go to Fill and choose Pattern and you will see your pattern there and use it accordingly. Follow my video closely to see how it is done, as everything in detail cannot be explained on one video. Play around with it until you get used to it. You will notice you could also go back to Flood and change your color to suit you. If you know better ways in doing it, I would like to hear about it. Please let me know in comments. Share your views, it will be appreciated.